Hello and welcome back to our channel. The model's nails have been prepped by applying tips and the foundation. For today's design, we will use Jealous Base and Cozy Chalet number 31. We begin by applying a thin layer of Jealous Base to the nail and dip it in Cozy Chalet number 31. Repeat process on pinky and thumbnail. Dust off well. Apply a second layer of Jealous Base to the nail, being sure that you keep the product clear of the sidewalls and cuticle. Dip into color. Dust off well. Now we will use Air Ombre number 60. Apply a thin layer of Jealous Base. Pump the Air Ombre onto the free edge of the nail. Use natural set shear and a clean brush. Dust the natural set shear onto the rest of the nail so it is fully coated. Tap off excess powder. Apply a thin layer of Jealous Base. Use the Air Ombre to apply color to free edge. Use a brush to dust on natural set shear. Dust off well. Apply a thin layer of Jealous Base. Dip into natural set shear. Repeat on index and thumb. Dust off well. Next, we will use the sealer dry. Be sure to apply thoroughly all over the nail product. Next, we are using Cozy Chalet number 19 and the Jealous Base. Apply a thin layer of Jealous Base and dip into Cozy Chalet number 19. Dust off. Apply another layer of Jealous Base. Dip into Cozy Chalet number 19 and dust off. Next, we will apply sealer dry. Buff and dust. We will be using Gel Star number 131 to apply a design. Using the Gel Star, the sweater design is applied to the nail. Then, using a spoon, pour Cozy Chalet number 19 over the gel. Cure in an LED light. Next, we will be using Jealous Base and French White. Apply a thin layer of Jealous Base. Then, dip into French White. Dust off and repeat the process. Next, we apply sealer dry. file, and buff. Using the SNS gel base, apply a thin coat. Cure in LED light. Gel star number 72 will be used to apply a reindeer design, curing the layers. Next, file, shape, and buff the ombre nails. Apply the top coat. Allow to dry. Apply second layer of top coat. After applying the second layer of top coat, allow to dry, then apply cuticle oil. Thank you for joining us today on this tutorial. Be sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more fun creative tutorials.